everybody, and welcome back. My name is Kristi, and I am so excited to be here with you today. We are going to do two projects. Are you ready? The first one is kind of like a Play-Doh, but we like to call this cloud dough. It's softer than Play-Doh, and it's so much fun. The second project we're going to get to do, can you guys guess? What does this look like? That's right, it is slime. So we're gonna go ahead and get started. You're gonna need an adult to help you with the ingredients, okay? All right, I'm excited, let's have fun. So our cloud dough recipe came from southernplate.com and our slime recipe came from glitterink.com. So here's what we need to get started. We need cornstarch, and I've already got that measured out into a little bowl. We've got hair conditioner. You can use what you have, or you can buy a cheap conditioner. This one actually came from the travel section in a store. And then we've got some food coloring. If you choose, you don't have to. If you want to use food coloring, I would recommend using a spoon to mix it with, and then a bowl. All right, ready to get started? Here we go. All right, so you're going to take the bowl and you're going to pour in the cornstarch and then also the conditioner. If your mixture is still pretty sticky, you can add more cornstarch, or if it's the opposite and it's still really dry, add some more conditioner. All right, and then you'll have, after you mix around a while, a nice cloud texture. So next up, we're going to add in the food coloring. Okay, so now we're going to add in some food coloring and mix it around. When you're ready to, you can go ahead and mix with your hands, but I will warn you, it can stain your hands. So if you have a glove, you might want to wear a glove. If not, go for it. Also, if you wanted to, you could add some essential oil to your cloud dough. I have citrus fresh because I love the smell of citrus. So I'm going to add some drops and then mix it in. Okay, and now your cloud dough should be pretty in pink. Enjoy! It's so soft and so much fun. Okay, here's what we're gonna make the slime with. We've got glitter glue, baking soda. We're gonna use half a tablespoon for baking soda, and then 1.5 tablespoons for contact lens solution. And then we've got a bowl and a spoon, and we're ready to go. Okay, so after we added in our glue, we add in our half a tablespoon of baking soda. We're gonna go ahead and mix in our contact solution. We're gonna use 1.5 tablespoons. We're gonna stir until our slime gets that slime texture we're looking for. And then once you're all done mixing everything up, we're going to use our hands and we're gonna knead it the rest of the way. All right, so now that I have kneaded my slime and I used all of the contact solution that was in the bowl, so it's not so sticky, I am ready to play. Isn't it so much fun? I hope you guys are enjoying it. Alrighty, I hope you guys had fun making your cloud dough and also your slime. I hope you have a great day. We'll see you next time.